Part number 2. Awesome guy 0140. I want to do it.
It's my turn, bro. Go!
Rodeo.
Come on, Rodeo. I know you want to buy some foods. My name is Bucky's. My name is Bugs.
The fun. My name is Funny Ones.
I have a motor.
Make him run.
Oh, come on, Bugs. Come on, Bugs. Yeah. Buggers. Yeah.
Kick the ball.
Go. Yeah, Bugs. Bam. Go. Hey, Rodeo. He's not really doing anything. Dude, I quit. Come on, Bugs. It's me, Dinosaur Dolphin. Whatever it is. Just do it. Bunkers. You're such a kind cat. Oh, by the way, Bunkers. In that little shed right there, there's the biggest spider. It's a tarantula. It's under there, Bunkers. Come on, let's get out. Good, Mario, good. Hey, I'm gonna get the phone. No, we're supposed to film Bunkers.
It's underneath me.
Go. Boom. Oh, no.
Okay, I think everybody's probably bored by now.
Yeah. Let's see the awesome Tether move. I'm moving the wagon.
And that is a